The bearing of a survey line is N 31 degrees 17 minutes W. N means north and W means west. North 31 degrees 17 minutes west. So its azimuth observed from north is how many degrees? So here so see again to read the bearing of a survey line is north 31 degrees 17 minutes. See generally angles in this question is basically from surveying subjects sorry surveying subject from civil engineering. Okay, angles in surveying is expressed in different ways. Okay, one of them is bearing, another one is azimuth. Okay, now coming to bearing, it's an angle generally which is expressed in between 0 degrees to 90 degrees in any one of the quadrants. Okay, so azimuth is an angle which is expressed in between 0 to 360 degrees. Okay, generally from the north direction, and also it is mentioned in the question, that is north. Azimuth observed from the north, and azimuth generally in clockwise. Okay, now let me show you how bearing is expressed. Suppose a point I want to, there are any point can be expressed from a benchmark point. Let us say this is from the origin. Suppose I want to express the location or angle of this point, then what do? I have four types of bearings. To express any point. One is north to east, this is north direction, let us say this is south, this is east, and this is all about bearing. Okay, now one is north to east, another one is south to east, another one is north to west, another one is south to west. We won't express in east to south. If there is an angle, that is fine, but we generally prefer these four types of things. Suppose I want to, this is N, it's not W, this is W. Okay, suppose this point 1, point 2, point 3, point 4. So this, you have to find out this angle. Okay, let us say this is theta 1. You have to express the location or bearing of the point 1. Bearing of the point 1, okay, is nar n theta 1 e. Suppose this is some, let us say this is some 47 degrees. This is, let us say, 47 degrees. You cannot write n 47 east, north 47 east, because it's not from north. You should calculate angle from the north to that point, then you can express it is in the direction of north theta 1 e. You cannot write e 47 n also. You better prefer writing n theta 1 e. And another one is, suppose this point. This point is, you have to find out angle from here to here. Let us say it is 30 degrees, let us say. Then you can express as point 2 as south 30 degrees east. And you have option from here. This is the only option you have to for the point 3. Okay, Now, sorry, it is point 4. This is point 3. Okay. So point 4 is north to west. Suppose this angle is theta 4. You have to find out angle from north to west only, theta 4. Let us say this is some 70, or roughly you can say this is 40. Okay. South 40, west. So these are the expressions for bearing. Whereas coming to azimuth, it is an angle in between 0 to 360 degrees from north direction in clockwise. Okay. Suppose what will I do? So I want to express a point which is here. In bearing, how can I express this is south and this is east, this is north and this is west? You have only one option to express this point, let us say point P. You have only one option in bearing, that is south to east. You cannot express in east to south. You can express only from south to east. So you have to find out this angle and you have to put that theta 1 here. But if the same point, if you want to express in azimuth, what you have to do? You have to take clockwise from north. Okay. From here to the point line, you have to find out clockwise direction this angle. That is the, let us say, of course, this is theta 2. Okay. Theta 2 is an azimuth. Okay, it is an azimuth angle because it is in suppose if a point is here, you have to okay, you have to calculate angle like this. Let us say this is theta 4. You have to find out like this from the north in the clockwise. That is azimuth. Okay, now so now I'll tell you, uh, this is north, south, east, west. So if somebody has told me this angle is theta 1, what will I do? Suppose I have to find out, um, I know this is bearing is s theta 1e. This is the expression 1. Another expression azimuth. Then I will have to find out. If I know already what is theta 1, what will I do? I'll find out 180 minus theta 1. That will be the theta 2. So this is azimuth angle. Okay. Let us go to the question. So question is the bearing of the survey line north 31 degrees 70 minutes west. Okay. I'll write this is the final answer, north 31 degrees 17 minutes west. So just write that north, south, east, west. So north to south 31 degrees, there is a point, or okay, 31 degrees 17 minutes. So what is the azimuth angle? This will be the azimuth angle. This is azimuth angle because it is clockwise also from the north, and in the question also it is mentioned. So how to find out this? You have to find out 360 degrees minus 31 degrees 17 minutes. So how to find out? See, this one is azimuth angle. First let us deduct 31 degrees. First 360 minus 31, so it is 329 degrees, but it will be 328 degrees. How many minutes? 60 minus 17, 60 minus 17, 43 degrees. Okay, 43 minutes. So this is the angle between north to that line. This is also called as azimuth line, azimuth angle. Now you cannot express in this way because the question is asked in degrees only, that too rounded off to two decimal places. So you have to convert this into decimal, only degrees. So how to find out? So 328 can be written as it is. So 43 minutes should be converted to degrees. How? 43 divided by 60 is 0.716 degrees. So you have to 328.72 degrees because you have to round it off to 2 decimal points. So this is the azimuth angle. So final answer is 328.72 degrees. Okay, thank you.